Hi, my name is Peter, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice that is used for notifications when your customers call into your voice channel. So when your customers call in, they will hear all sorts of messages like, hey, it is very busy, the things that you said yourself, but it could also be you're next in line, or the average wait time is 60 minutes. You want a callback. All of those notifications are pronounced by a voice that uses text to speech. So to actually change that, we can go into the work streams. We can go into the specific work stream. You'll find the channels here. I can go to edit on the channel. I can go into the language, but because obviously you can change that voice per language to the details of that. And then underneath here, you'll find the voice profiles. Now, those voice profiles, there are many voice profiles, right? And you can see that there's a bunch of multilingual ones. There are also a few of the neural ones. There are some very good ones and some okay ones. Mind that you test these out, right? And I can change the speaking speed, the speaking speed and the pitch for those voices as well. So I can try it out. I can press play, and there you go. And that works perfectly. So mind that there's some voices that fit a specific language better, right? Not every language, for example, fits the Dutch language because the pronunciation is weird. So if you have that, please try a multilingual one that works best. Now you can imagine that this is a very brand specific thing, right? I know lots of brands that want to have their own voice. That is unfortunately not an option yet. With Microsoft doing all sorts of cool things with Voice Studio in Azure, you can only imagine that that might be some option in the future. For now, mind that if you have an IVR that you use, which is not Copilot Studio, if you use your own IVR, which is not Copilot Studio, then you will have a different voice for your IVR and you will have a different voice for your waiting messages, which might be confusing, not the best user experience, right? So if you choose an IVR, please do mind that those voices look alike. Or if you use Copilot Studio, mind that you pick the same voice over there as you do here, right?